Are you tired of the same old cup of coffee? Do you dream of creating barista-quality drinks in the comfort of your home? The Nespresso Aeroccino3 Black Milk Frother is your ticket to frothy, creamy beverages that will elevate your coffee ritual to new heights. In this review, we'll delve into the features, benefits, and sheer convenience that this sleek and efficient milk frother brings to your kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and discover why the Nespresso Aeroccino3 is a game changer. Here's why you need it. Sleek design, durable construction. The Nespresso Aeroccino3 stands out with its stainless steel pitcher and black plastic construction, marrying durability with a touch of elegance. Its sleek design adds a modern aesthetic to your kitchen, making it not just an appliance but a statement piece. One-touch operation for effortless frothing. Becoming your own barista has never been easier. With the Aeroccino3's one-touch operation, you can froth your milk with a simple push of a button. Whether you're craving a hot cappuccino or a refreshing iced coffee, this frother delivers your desired froth consistency effortlessly. Versatile frothing options. Experience the freedom to enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. This milk frother gives you the flexibility to make both hot and cold froth, expanding your beverage possibilities. 1 second of button pressure for hot milk and froth, and 2 seconds for cold milk froth. It's that easy. Rapid heating for instant enjoyment. Say goodbye to waiting around for your coffee fix. The Aeroccino3 quickly heats milk to the optimal temperature range of 106 to -170 degrees Fahrenheit. Your frothy creation is ready in a matter of moments, ensuring you get to savor every sip at its peak warmth. Automatic shutoff for peace of mind. No need to keep an eye on the frother. The automatic shutoff feature ensures that the Aeroccino3 stops when the frothing process is complete. It's a smart, energy-saving solution that provides peace of mind, especially during busy mornings. Why you need the Nespresso Aeroccino3. Stainless steel construction, durable and elegant design. One-touch operation, effortless frothing with a simple button press. Versatile frothing options, hot or cold froth for your preferred beverages. Rapid heating, quick warm-up for instant enjoyment. Automatic shutoff, smart feature for convenience and energy savings. Say goodbye to ordinary coffee and hello to a world of frothy delights with the Nespresso Aeroccino3 Black Milk Frother. Click the link below to make this stylish and efficient milk frother an essential part of your coffee routine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.